This is a little bit of an over the shoulder type thing, a little peek into my workflow. I'm actually reversioning a video that I've already created for LinkedIn and make it for YouTube. I use an amazing editing tool called Descript. It's an absolute game changer. I've been using it for probably 2 months now. It allows you to do rough cuts really, really quickly. So here I have got my LinkedIn version with the script, and it's all been edited already. So it's a nuts and bolts edit. I'm very happy with the content and how it's all structured in this case here. This is the outro that I want to swap for the YouTube specific one. Now I could go back to the original footage, which is here, and basically re-edit it all again and just basically use the YouTube outro. However, there's a better way of doing this, which is to use the video that I've already edited, but obviously this outro is specific to LinkedIn. So I need to go and find the YouTube specific outro. So what I need to do is go back to the original recording, which is this file here. Then I can skedaddle down to the bottom because that's where the outros are. Here you are, right at the bottom there. That's when I did the YouTube outro. And this is where those outros start. So I'm going to Command C because I'm on a Mac. So it's copying. Then I go back to the edited file. And what I'll do is I will Control V. So paste it. Because this is effectively the raw bit, I'm going to need to go in and edit and take out any mistakes or ers and erms and make sure that it all makes sense. So I'm going to take out the outro, which is to do with LinkedIn. This is why I think Descript is so powerful, because you're effectively editing a video, but in a document format. As an interface in terms of editing, it's so intuitive. It is so easy to get started with this software. Is absolutely fantastic. I'm just going through now. I'm just making sure that the text makes sense, because ultimately, in terms of the text side of things, that's what becomes your captions or your transcription. So you need to make sure that any typos are corrected, any punctuation is the right punctuation, and that sort of thing. Again, that's what I love about Descript, is that it's a really easy way of generating captions whilst you're editing. And then just a little sense check to make sure that this new outro makes sense. Just need to keep the pace up when it comes to outros, because as soon as people realize you're wrapping a video up, they'll be off. You want to incentivize people to click on the next video, because ultimately when it comes to YouTube, you're wanting people to watch multiple videos in one sitting. You don't just want them watching one and then disappearing. So once I'm happy with it, all I need to do is click on this export, click on video, check everything's okay there, which it is. I then will make sure that I know it's the YouTube version, and off we go, and we can save that out. Depending on the length of the video, it takes a few minutes to export it. So there you have it. I really hope that little insight has helped in terms of how to reversion videos with multiple endings for different platforms. Definitely check out Descript. There's a link for you in the description below. Hope that's helped. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.